Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, simply record a video. Okay, and swipe left. You will find the option of reverse here. But if you are unable to find that option, as you can see that in my Android this option is not showing. So what the other option is, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search here in short application. Open that application, click on video and select a video random here, click on tick mark, and here you need to scroll and you will find the option of reverse, and here you can see that the video is now reversing. So this is the process you need to do to reverse a video on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.